Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to start cuboid. Let us consider this is a three-dimensional object. This is a three-dimensional object having length L, breadth B and height small h. Total number of faces in cuboid. How many faces in a cuboid? There are total. First, this is base and opposite to base, this is top. Two surfaces, left, right. This is next two surfaces and front side and back side. So there are total 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is top plus bottom. This is front plus back, and this is left plus right. So a cuboid have total 6 number of faces. Next, total number of edges. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4 separately. I have drawn the base portion over here. So there are total 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 number of edges for bottom. Similarly, if we consider top portion, then total 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. 4 number of edges for top. Next, this is 1, this is 2. This is 2 number of edges for left face, and this 1 and this 2 number of edges for right. Why only 2? Because while considering or counting the number of edges on the top portion, I have included this portion, this edge as well. While counting total number of edges in bottom portion, I also have considered this edge. So neglecting these two edges while calculating the number of edges in left portion, as well as neglecting these two edges while calculating the number of edges in right portion. So how many total number of edges? 4 in top, 4 in bottom, 2 in left and 2 in right. So total 4, 4, 8, 2, 10 and add up to 12. So there are total number of 12 number of edges in a cuboid. Next is total number of corners or vertices. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. So a cuboid have total 8 number of corners. So all these are: first, total number of faces in cuboid 6, second, total number of edges in cuboid 12, and third, total number of corners in cuboid is 8. You have to remember all these 3 results. Next topic is volume of cuboid. Let us consider this is length, this is breadth and this is height. In general way, we can say that volume of cuboid equals to base area multiplied by height, or we can also say thickness or depth. So what is base area? Base is in form of rectangle, so its area is L multiplied by B. Now what is the height of this cuboid? I have considered H as height of cuboid, so volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. By using this formula, we can calculate the volume of a cuboid. So this is the basic formula. By using, you can calculate volume of object, that is base area multiplied by height for uniform object. Now, if this is the volume of cuboid, if L is in meter, B is in meter, as well H is in meter, then unit of volume of cuboid is M into M into M, that is meter cube. If length is given in centimeter, breadth is given in centimeter, as well height is given in centimeter, then unit of volume will be centimeter cube. So depending upon the unit of L, B and H, unit of volume will meter cube, centimeter cube, kilometer cube, whatever length, breadth and height unit is given. Next, in this formula, volume of cuboid, there are total 4 variables. First is volume of cuboid, second is length, third is breadth and fourth is height. Out of these 4 variables, if I am providing you any 3 variables, then you can easily calculate the rest variable. Suppose question, if volume of cuboid is 64 meter cube and length equals to 4 meter, comma, breadth is 6 meter, then what will be height of cuboid? So it is given that volume of cuboid is 64 meter cube, its length is 4 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So how will you solve it? Solution, given data are volume of cuboid equals to 64 meter cube, length of cuboid equals to, this is 4 meter and breadth of cuboid equals to 6 meter. Now what we have to find out? To find out H equals to what? That is height of cuboid equals to what? Earlier I have explained, we know that volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Out of these 4 variables, volume is given, length is also given, breadth is also given. Now you have to find out H. So in order to calculate value of H, simply volume of cuboid divided by this L into B equals to H. So H equals to volume of cuboid is 64 meter cube divided by 4 is length, that is 4 meter, into 6 is breadth, that is 6 meter. This meter and meter will get cancelled out. with meter square, and this 16, 2 times 2 3 is 6 and 2 8 is 16. So 8 upon 3 meter is the height of this cuboid. By using this formula, volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H, we can easily calculate the height of this cuboid. Next topic is total surface area of cuboid. This is also written as TSA, that is total surface area. This is the short form of total surface area. Now, in order to calculate the total surface area of this cuboid, first of all you have to consider how many faces it have. So earlier I have explained that there are total 6 number of faces in a cuboid. Which one? This is the bottom, top, left, right, and this front, and this is the back side. So how many surfaces it have? There are total 6 surfaces or faces a cuboid have. So calculate surface area of each surface and add that. Then this is the bottom portion, so this is in rectangular form and its area is L into B. This bottom portion and this top portion both are symmetrical to each other, so for bottom and top portion this is the total surface area, 2 into L into B. Now next is 2 into left portion and right portion. So what is the area of left portion? This is B, this is H, so B into H. Next, for front portion and back portion, so there are two symmetrical front and back portion, that is 2 into, what is the length? This is L and breadth is H, so L into H. Now add all these 3 surface areas, that is total 6 surface areas, 2 front and back, this is 2 bottom and top, this 2 is left and right, and this 2 is front and back. So total surface area of cuboid equals to 2 into LB, add up 2 into BH, add up 2 into HL. So you can write this as 2LB, add up 2BH, add up 2HL. 2 is common in all these 3 terms, so take 2 as common. What will remain? LB, add up BH, add up HL. So this is the formula to calculate total surface area of a cuboid. This 2 into LB, add up BH, add up HL. By using this formula you can calculate total surface area of a cuboid. Next topic is lateral surface area. This is also written as LSA or simply curved surface area, that is CSA. In case of lateral surface area, we consider these 4 portions, that is left, right, front and back. This left, right, this front and this back side. So if we redraw this left side, then its length is B and breadth is H as well. This front side having length L and this breadth is, this front side, this length is L and this breadth is H. Now there are two faces, this is left and this is right, and front and back there are total two number of surfaces. Then lateral surface area, LSA of a cuboid equals to, what are the areas? Then two number of faces having length B and breadth H. This is left and this is right, and next one is two number of surfaces, that is front and back. So its length is L and breadth is H, that is 2 into L into H. Now 2 BH add up to HL. 2 as well, H and H are common, so take 2H as common, then what will you get? L add up B. So lateral surface area of a cuboid equals to 2H into L add up B. Here H is height of cuboid, L is length of cuboid and B is breadth of the cuboid. So by using this formula, LSA of cuboid, that is lateral surface area of a cuboid, equals to 2H into L add up B.